Hi everyone, I'm Narsimha. As of now, we created business role, business partner related complete settings and vendor master related complete settings, and we assigned number ranges for business partner and number ranges for vendor master also. Now we are going to create end user steps. End user need to create vendor or business partner as per his requirement. Earlier we have a T codes in ECC version. What is that? Earlier we have a T codes for vendor master MK01, MK02, MK03, MK04. We have different types of T codes. To create vendor, MK01 is our T code. MK01 or XK01 also we can use to create in ECC version. See what will get if you type MK01 in your transactional box. MK01. See, it is showing business partner created as person. It is taking through business partner T code. I'll try to come XK01. It is also showing same T code. Earlier we have a T codes for purchasing organization. We have separate T codes, and company code we have separate T codes. Common we have common T codes also. I will show what is the T codes. Give me a minute. Earlier, to create vendor for purchasing MK01, finance FK01, for central T code XK01. We have different types of T code. But in this BP version, in this S4 HANA, these three codes replaced with BP. MK already we tried with MK01 and XK01. We will try with FK01 also. FK, what is it? FK01. I'm trying to enter T code FK01 in transactional box. It is replaced with business partner. It is showing business partner only. If you entered any T code, it will take through business partner screen. In S4 HANA, it is replaced with BP. All three codes replaced with BP. You have to enter BP in your transactional box. Then click on enter. You will get this type of interface. You have to select person, organization, group based on your requirement. I am selecting organization. First, I need to create for purchasing. Why? Because I am practicing MM. I need to purchase raw material from outside vendor. That's the reason I am creating purchase role. What is my purchase role? My purchase role is FLN01. You have to select create BP role. Here, if you want to create for company, you need to select FLVN00. In this case, I am going to create purchasing related BP role. That's the reason I am selecting FLVN01. Then you need to click on create. Then you have to select your grouping. What is our grouping? ZS AM. Vendor type ZS AM. Samrat domestic vendor. Then you need to enter address, basic address. Earlier also we did same things in ECC version, but here our interface is changed. What is my vendor name? A to Z vendor. A to Z vendor. Then you can give all this related details. I am typing 1 and 2. Then you can, if you have details, you can give. In real time, all details you will get from someone. That's the reason you need no need to worry. I am giving address. Country code is my India. Region is Telangana. Postal codes. Then language English. Telephone number, fax, mobile, email. If you have all those data, you can enter all these details. Then address overview, then identification, control, payment terms. You need to enter vendor bank related details here. Earlier also we have different types of tabs. We entered all this, but as of now I am creating for practice server, that practice session. That's the reason I'm not entering all these details. If you need, you can enter. If you have all those details, you can enter it. I entered all these details. Then I want to click purchasing. I need to give purchasing related details. What is my purchase org? My purchase org is 11111. My purchase org is 111. Then I'm clicking on enter. Then I will get currency. Order currency is INR. Payment types is 0001. Then click on enter. Incoterms. Incoterms is CIF. If you're not aware about Incoterms, you can click on this small button. You will get Incoterms based on your requirement. You can select from here. Then ABC indicator. I want service based vendor invoice verification. Then acknowledgement is required for vendor. What is my purchasing group? My purchasing group S07. Then plan delivery time. You as per your requirement you can give. Or else it is all or not mandatory entries. If you have a schema group vendor, now you can give schema group. Schema group vendor, everything it will come in future classes. Just you need to give these details. Then partner related settings, you can give everything as per your requirement. Then click on enter. It is asking location mandatory. Location is Hyderabad. Then click on enter. Just save it. My vendor number is created. My vendor is created for purchasing. If you want to create vendor for company, or else you can extend this vendor to company also. But in my practice server, I need to do some company related settings. Present I am getting some errors in company related settings. That's the reason I am not able to show you how to create company related vendor. I will tell you in future classes how to create company related vendor and how to extend purchasing related vendor to company related vendor in upcoming future classes. If you want to learn SAP, subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. Share your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.